We're talking to some of our exhibitors during the whole day, and now Lennart will talk to Measuring Masters. This is an exhibitor from Brazil and in Brazil, I think. Lennart, I'm very excited.
Yes.
It's your turn now.
So, Bruno, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're now live on INTERGEO Launch TV, and I would like to send some greetings over to Brazil. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
Yeah, it's.
We can't hear him at the moment.
I can hear him.
Ah,
so
then everything is fine.
Oh, you have to switch your screen.
Yes. Wait a second. Here. Okay.
So, what are your product highlights for these INTERGEO? What is Measuring Masters? Tell us a bit about it.
So, Measuring Masters, I'm a surveyor, a land surveyor from Brazil, and I have a company with do survey jobs, and we have this project to show content on social media. About surveying, about your daily
business.
And yes, our daily business. And on Brazil, we don't talk so much about BIM, BIM, and we decide to make this project to show more the culture of being on Brazil. And we have a lot of content on all social medias. This is our website. You can translate in every language, and you can start a little bit. And you can see the news on our blog. And we have a Facebook, LinkedIn page, and Instagram, and you can see our jobs.
Yeah, you did a lot for INTERGEO, especially in Brazil. You invited a few hundred people to INTERGEO, actually, which is quite a lot. So I'm very thankful for this. And I have one question I have to ask every exhibitor. I can see you are in the office, but how was COVID-19 affecting your job? Is everything digital now, or what were the big changes?
Oh, don't change so much, because the job in the field, the most time is when starting a new project, a new construction. And when is in the beginning of the project, there are only surveyors. And the most times I go to the field alone or with one people, and don't have people around us. Then we can work without problems with Corona. And on office, we have a low quantity of people, and this Corona don't impact so much on jobs, but impact only on society. It's a bad thing, no?
So you did a lot of videos on last year's INTERGEO in Stuttgart.
Yes, this is our channel on YouTube. Here you can see all our videos is here. This is the principal channel. And last INTERGEO, I made some videos about reviews and drones and what I think is good. And I hope the next year I can do a lot of videos of INTERGEO next year on German. I'm waiting for that.
We hope a lot to meet you personal again. One last question. Did you make, or do you try to make videos about the digital INTERGEO as well, or how do you spend the last 3 days?
Yes, I'm record right now. On the future, we're gonna compile our experience in INTERGEO, and everyone can see here on your YouTube channel.
Cool. There are some more highlight videos of INTERGEO for the future on your YouTube channel. So
Yeah.
I would like to say to everybody, follow the Measuring Masters. They made great content about INTERGEO and the whole geospatial scene. We had a lot of contact with him on Instagram, so he's really active. And yeah, thank you for your support, Bruno. I wish you all the best in Brazil and have a good time on the last hours of the last day of INTERGEO TV and the INTERGEO Expo, Digital Expo.
Okay.
Greetings to Brazil.
Hey, hello. Hey, we are on your chat, on your room now. Come to our room to talk with us and to know more about our project. We have a printed 3D piece and more 3D modeling services. Okay.
Okay, we hope some people come over and spending some time with you and talk about your products. So I wish you all the best, and we will continue with drones now, I think. So thank you for your support, Bruno, and see you soon. Goodbye.
See you too. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you, INTERGEO.
So
It's not so bad to get each other to know via the digital booths here, via these Alpha View digital rooms, because you get an impression of the people you just email or text the whole year.
Yeah, I've wrote tons of messages with Bruno. He texts me all the time, and it's cool now to meet him in person, I think, to meet him as a character as he is. So it's super cool.
He has a great energy, and I think he really fits good in this format. There's Juliane.